to start off by opening up PixArt and adding the photo that you want to edit. You then want to go into Google and find some glitter that you can overlay. I decided to go for an orange glitter to try and match the bikini colour. Once you've found some glitter that you like, save it to the device that you're using. Once you've found some glitter that you like, head back into the app and find the icon that says Add Photo. You then want to select the glitter that you've downloaded. Next, look for the icon that says Add Photo and you just want to adjust the glitter so that it covers all of the clothing that you're going to add the glitter to. Then if you change the opacity, you can see the outline of where you're going to erase. Finally, select the eraser tool and erase anything that you don't want to have the glitter effect, and you're done.